Karan and his changes in his life. This is a Karan. We are going to learn about what are the changes are happen on the Karan's life. You have learned about how families changes with marriage and the birth of a baby. Let us learn about some more changes that take place around us and how they affect us. Our surroundings change. As we grow up, we understand that everything changes with time. We may no longer live in the same house or even in the same city. If anything happens, then we have to change our city or house. See how changes in life are happen. These are the vegetables and these are the junk food. We may not have the same set of friends and love the same food we once loved to have. We outgrow our clothes. We may not go to the same school. Change can be difficult, but we should embrace it and learn from it. Changes in the neighborhood. Now, see how changes in our neighborhood are happened. Karan used to live in Chandigarh with his mother who works for a bank. We saw Karan. Karan is a boy. He is living with his mother in Chandigarh. His mother is a working woman. She works for a bank. She was transferred 3 years ago to Chandigarh. From Kanpur and now to Delhi. Karan's mother transferred 3 years ago to Chandigarh from Kanpur and now her mother's transfer happened to Delhi. Karan has now joined a new school. He is happy about being in Delhi, but he misses his life and friends back in Chandigarh. Karan and his friends. Moving from one place to another to settle down there is known as a relocation. So, what is meant by relocation? Moving from one place to another place and settle down the new place. That is called a relocation. Besides having a transferable job, there are different reasons why people move within the city or to different cities and even countries for a new home, better job opportunities, higher studies, marriage, business, and many more other reasons for relocating from one place to another place. Settling down in a new house, a new neighborhood, a different city, or even a new country can be very difficult. Look at relocation or changing neighborhoods as new life with new experiences and adventures. Karan's mother knew how Karan felt about leaving Chandigarh. One afternoon, she took him out to show where she grew up in Delhi. She told him how there used to be hardly any traffic back in those days because there weren't so many vehicles. She showed him street where hawkers used to sit and sell food items. A fancy mall had replaced the market where she used to go for shopping in her childhood. Karan loved the visit down in the memory lane. These are the shopping mall. Karan's mother helped him understand how we can adjust to changes by exploring the new things around us. She reminded Karan about the time he started going to school. When Karan and her mother shifted to Delhi, his mother is helping him to settle down in Delhi. She reminded Karan about the time he started going to school. At first, he did not like school, but with time, he made new friends and enjoyed going to school.